Today I'm going to show you guys how I built this lumber rack for under $40. Alright, so some of the tools we're going to need is a miter saw, a sawzall. I'm going to use the sawzall to cut this galvanized tubing or conduit, straight edge, pencil, dead blow, a drill, some with a spade bit that's 7/8. This is 3/4 inch galvanized steel conduit, but the outside diameter is just 7/8, and some 2x4s. One of the first things we're going to do is we're going to take our 2x4s and we're going to cut them down to 4-foot lengths. It's 3 lumber. I'm going to get up like right up here. All right, so now that we have the boards cut, I'm going to be measuring, I'm going to start at 6 inches. I'm going to go up to 18, 30, and 42. And these are where I'm going to drill the holes. I'm going to center them as best as I can. And I'm going to do that for each set. Now that we got everything marked out, we're going to use our drill and our 7/8 bit and just drill in that center mark and start drilling holes. Now that we got our wood cut, we're going to be cutting our galvanized tubing down to 20-inch sections. And we're just going to measure that out. This is 60 inches long, so I'm only going to be measuring twice. Once at 20, and once at 40. And that'll give us 3 poles. Now that we have our brackets over there set up, made out of wood, we're going to cut the galvanized steel. And I am cutting these at 20 inches, and I'm just going to cut through them with the Sawzall. Now that we've cut the metal, we're going to be mounting these to these brackets right here. I luckily had these in place already, and I'm just going to roughly do them about 2 feet apart and mount them up, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Now that we've got the brackets up, I'm going to be hammering in the steel conduit into these holes, and that's what's going to provide our shelf so we can store stuff on it. And I'm just going to Now that I have all of the pipes in, I'm going to use some electrical tape and just electrical tape the ends so there's no burrs on the end. And then we're going to load lumber up and I'll show you what it looks like.